airports are one of the most complex and regulated organizations. Although iGA founded as a startup with an objective, completing the construction of Istanbul airport and operate it, iGA needed to form more structured organization once operation began. Technology saw the needs of our guests and the stakeholders dynamically change. To be able to compete within this environment and be the best, you also need to be agile and flexible.
Sensemore is a reliable to focused asset management platform with hardware, software, and AI-powered tools specifically designed for the health analysis of complex machinery. Our solution provides root cause analysis to identify potential causes of machine failure to ensure optimal performance and longevity. This helps industries reduce downtime, lower maintenance costs, and enhance overall operational efficiency. Istanbul Airport is one of the largest airports in the world. It has an impressive daily passenger capacity of over 200,000. With such a prestigious status, the expectations for a seamless experience are immense. The scale of operations is extraordinary, demanding flawless execution at every level. Behind the scenes, more than 13,000 machines work to keep the airport running smoothly. However, significant challenges have arisen in maintaining this critical infrastructure. Machineries in these infrastructures are so complex as they are running different speed, different load, and transient states. It was a perfect fit our solution. The project kicked off with a comprehensive analysis of iGA's unique needs and challenges. After careful consideration, we concentrate our efforts on the baggage handling system and escalators. By deploying our sensors on critical assets, we were able to collect high-quality data. Through the project, we collaborated closely with iGA team, diligently monitoring the data and fine-tuning the system. Our efforts successfully demonstrated the technology's abilities to predict equipment failures and optimize maintenance schedules for both the baggage handling system and escalators. At the outset, our engineering passion provided the initial drive to tackle this challenge, recognizing the limitations of traditional methods and the market's need for a more effective solution. We developed our product to go beyond the conventional approach. This led us to create a system capable of adapting to complex mechanisms and focusing not just and only on anomaly detection, but on analyzing the root cause of behind these anomalies. Plug and Play Türkiye initiated our collaboration with iGA and kept supporting through whole projects. Their support in helping startups to be connected to ever-growing companies like iGA was the first step of the success of the pilot projects. They enabled us to showcase our technology to a broader audience, opening doors for future opportunities.